In America, the average healthy lifespan ends at 66, but in Japan, they have people in their 90s still climbing stairs, carrying groceries, and living completely independently. The difference? One simple movement they do every single day. It's called Shikodachi, the Sumo Stance, and it might be the most important exercise you're not doing. Here's why this matters. After 50, leg strength isn't about fitness, it's about freedom. Can you get out of a chair without using your hands? Climb stairs without wincing? Walk confidently without grabbing walls? If not, your independence muscles are weakening, and that's exactly what Shikodachi fixes. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet twice shoulder width apart. Turn your toes outward at 45 degrees. Now slowly lower your hips like you're sitting between your legs, not behind them. Keep your spine straight, chest open, hands on your thighs for support. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds to start. If you feel shaky, stand near a wall. Work up to 2 minutes over time. You'll feel it in your quads, glutes, and inner thighs, the exact muscles that keep you independent. Now, here's why this works. Studies show this stance activates more leg muscles than regular squats, but with less joint strain. The wide hip angle reverses decades of stiffness from sitting in chairs all day. It builds functional strength, the kind that helps you stand up, stay balanced, and move with confidence. Unlike exercises that pound your joints, this strengthens tendons and ligaments while protecting your knees. Your quads, glutes, and stabilizer muscles all fire at once, creating total lower body power. And because it's low impact, you can do it daily without wearing yourself down. This is how Japanese elders stay mobile well into their 90s. 2 minutes a day rebuilds what most people lose after 50. No gym, no equipment, just you and gravity. This isn't about fitness, it's about keeping your freedom. When your legs are strong, independence stays intact. That's the power of Shikodachi. Try it right now. Stand up and hold for 30 seconds. Then comment. How did it feel? Did your legs shake? I reply to every comment personally. Want 5 more movements like this? Watch next. What happens to your body if you do horse stance every day over 50? Click now. Your legs will thank you. This is FitFixen. Stay strong.